Hello everyone, welcome back again to Excellent Solutions, a guide to score 300 plus in Jamb. Today we are going to be discussing physics and the topic is thermal expansivity, and we are continuing from question 24 to 30 under thermal expansivity. So kindly click on the like, share and subscribe button to this channel so that you will be notified whenever I post a new video. So our question 27 of today says, a thin aluminium plate has a surface area of 1500 meters square. So our surface area A1 equals to 1500 meters square. At 20 degrees Celsius, theta 1 equals to 20 degrees Celsius. What would be its surface area when it is cooled to minus 20 degrees Celsius? So theta 2 equals to minus 20 degrees Celsius. Take linear expansivity of aluminium to be 2.5 exponential minus 5. So alpha equals to 2.5 exponential minus 5 per Kelvin. So for here we look at this, our delta theta is theta 2 minus theta 1. So we can say delta theta equals to theta 2 minus theta 1, which is the same as our theta 2 minus 20 minus our theta 1 is 20. So delta theta is equals to minus 40 degrees Celsius. So we are to look for A2. If you can recall, we said that A2 is equals to A1 bracket open 1 plus beta delta theta. But if we look here, we don't have the beta. And there is a relationship between alpha and beta, which says beta is equals to 2 alpha. So with this relation, we can substitute this beta to be equals to 2 alpha. So we have A2 equals to A1 bracket open 1 plus 2 alpha delta theta. This is the same as having A2 is now equals to our A1 is 1500 bracket open 1 plus we have 2 here multiplied by our alpha is 2.5 exponential minus 5 times 2.5 exponential minus 5 multiplied by our delta theta is minus 40. So times minus 40. We close our bracket. If we come here, we have A2 is now equals to 1500 bracket open 1 plus this 2. 2 times 2.5, we have 5. We say this 5 times this 40, we have minus 200. So this will be plus bracket open minus 200 exponential minus 5. So plus times minus is minus. We now have A2 equals to 1500 bracket open plus times 1 plus times minus is minus 200 exponential minus 5. We take our point backward 1 2 3 4 5. This is the same as 0.002. If we take this point backward 5 times 1 2 3 4 5, we have this 200. So if we subtract 0.002 from 1, we are going to have A2 equals to 1500 bracket 0.998. And if we multiply 1500 times 0.998, we are going to have A2 equals to 1497 meter square. So the answer to this question is 1497 meter square. And if you look at our option, in option D, we have 1497 meter square. The answer is option D. Question 25 says, the linear expansivity of brass is 2.0 exponential minus 5 per degree Celsius. So alpha equals to 2.0 exponential minus 5 per degree Celsius. If the volume of piece of brass is 15.00 meter cube, our V1 equals to 15.00 meter cube at 0 degrees Celsius. Theta 1 equals to 0 degree Celsius. What is the volume at 100 degrees Celsius? So we are looking for V2 at theta 2 equals to 100 degree Celsius. So from here we look at delta theta. Delta theta equals to theta 2 minus theta 1, which is the same as 100 minus 0. So our delta theta is equal to 100 degrees Celsius. So delta theta equals to 100 degree Celsius. So if we are looking for V2, we have our equation that says V2 equals to V1 bracket open 1 plus gamma delta theta. But here we don't have gamma, but we have alpha. And the relationship that says, we have a relationship that says gamma equals to 3 alpha. So where we have gamma, we substitute it with 3 alpha. Then we have V2 equals to V1 bracket open 1 plus this gamma, we substitute it with 3 alpha delta theta. So we have V2 is now equals to our V1. We have it as 15.00 bracket open 1 plus 3 times our alpha. We have 2.0 exponential minus 5. Then multiply by our delta theta is 100. So this we have V2 equals to 15 bracket open 1 plus, if we look at this, 3 times 2 we have 6. So this is 6.0 times 10 raised power. If we look at this exponential minus 5, when we multiply it by 100, it will go with 2 negative here. So it will be exponential minus 3. So this gives us V2 equals to 15 bracket open 1 plus this 6 exponential minus 3 is the same as taking this one backward 3 times 0.006. Look at this, if we take this 1, 2, 3, so it's the same as exponential minus 3. So when we add 1 by 0.006, we have V2 equals to 15 bracket open 1 plus 0, we have 1.006. When we multiply 15 by 0.006, we have V2 equals to 15 times 1, we have it as 15. So this is the same as 15 times 6, we have it to be 90. So this 90 will take the point of this 0. So this is the same as 15 points. This is 0. This 15 times 0.6 is 9. So this is 15.09 meter cube. If we look at our options, in option B we have 15.09 meter cube. The answer to this question is B. Our next question is question 26, and this question says a glass bottle of initial volume 2 exponential 4 centimeter cube. So our V1 equals to 2 exponential 4 centimeter cube is heated from 20 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius. So theta 1 equals to 20 degrees Celsius, theta 2 equals to 50 degrees Celsius. Our delta theta equals to 50 minus 20, which is 30 degrees Celsius. If the linear expansivity of the glass is 9 exponential minus 6 per Kelvin, alpha equals to 9 exponential minus 6 per Kelvin. The volume of the bottle at 50 degrees Celsius is, so we are looking for V2. So recall that V2 equals to V1 bracket open 1 plus gamma delta theta. And we say that this gamma is the same as 3 alpha. So V2 equals to V1 bracket open 1 plus 3 alpha delta theta. So this gives us V2 equals our V1 is 2 exponential 4. So which is 2 exponential 4 bracket open 1 plus this 3 is here times is 9. Alpha is 9 exponential minus 6 multiplied by our delta theta is 30 times 30. So this gives us V2 equals to this 2 exponential 4 is the same as 20,000. You take your point 1, 2, 3, 4. Bracket open 1 plus 3 times 9, we have 27. 27 times this 3, we have 81. So this 0 will go with one of these points. So this gives us 81 exponential minus 5. This 0 go with 1 point here. So this is the same as having V2 equals to 20,000 bracket open 1 plus this one we take our point backward 5 times. This is the same as 0.00081. Taking this point backward 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So each is minus 5. So V2 is now the same as 20,000 bracket open 1 plus 0, we have 1.00081. So we now have V2 equals to 20,000 times 1, we have 20,000. Then we can say plus 20,000 times 0.00081 is, this is taking this 82 times 81 is 162. So this is the same as 16.2. This is what we are going to have. When we add this one, we have V2 equals to 20000 plus this, we have 16.2 centimeter cube. If we look at our option, in option D, we have 20,016.2 centimeter cube. The answer is option D.